To remove the hinge, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. Remove the fan, the wireless LAN board, the SSD bracket, and SSD module if installed in the unit, the heatsink, and the GPU if installed in the unit. Remove the motherboard. Detach the 6 Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the hinge to the rear cover. A stencil of an arrow will indicate the screws for the hinge. Pull the hinge out of the unit. There are holes on the hinge that fit over alignment pegs on the rear cover. To replace the hinge, press the hinge back onto its alignment posts. Secure the hinge to the rear cover with its 6 Phillips No. 2 screws.